This is a Bedford Park Boulevard bound B train. The next stop is 167th Street. This is a Manhattan-bound B train. The next stop is 155th Street.
This is a 205th Street bound C train via the D line. The next stop is 167th Street.
This is a Manhattan-bound D train. The next stop is 155th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to hype it so more people can see it. All you need to do after the premiere is just swipe left and then click hype. It'll definitely make it more worthwhile. So thank you very much for your support.
Meanwhile,
I hope you enjoyed this week's Munipals New York City MTA subway run featuring the custom-made R211 D train. Well, given we have done the custom-made W, L, B, and so many other lines, it would be unjust for me not to do the D, given that appeared recently in real life. So there you are. The side, the top, the front, the other side, of course, the back. Same with the other carriage I've left over before I decommission it back to the A train, because we all know that the R211 at the moment only exists at the A train. It wasn't made on the variants yet. But there isn't any R211 T I've noticed. So these are all normal R211s at the moment. I hope you liked watching them. And leave me the thoughts below the comments and tell me what you think about it as to what sort of variants I should do next, given that the R211 has been testing on around New York City quite a while in other lines at the moment. So it'll be interesting to hear your thoughts. And speaking of R211 subway trains, there'll be plenty more tomorrow Sunday at 10 a.m. after you all voted to unlock the Brighton Beach real subway action on the Q and B lines on weekday evenings. See you at the platform.